All right guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just have a short update. I want to talk about the solar eclipse, which is coming 2 days. It's 2 days away from here. We're in St. Albans, Vermont, and we're gonna have an awesome look. We're right in the middle of the path of totality. And what's extra special here for our location is that the actual center line of totality is about 50 yards south of our place here. All in all, we're super close to the path. And they're expecting between 100 and 200,000 people to come to Vermont to view this between Burlington and St. Albans. And I think we have a little better look here further north because we're right in the middle. So going to be awesome. We're hosting some family and friends. Had a huge snowstorm a couple days ago. You can see that it's mostly melted. It's going to be beautiful on Monday. Probably the clearest skies in the nation are right here in Vermont. So again, a great look. So that's what we're doing. Just wanted to do a quick video, give you an update. I'll probably do a short time lapse of the eclipse. Nothing too fancy. I want to spend time with my family and friends. We're hosting a very small event here and should have a lot of fun. All right guys, thanks for watching and take care. Have a great day. Enjoy the eclipse if you can see it.